Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a tightening remedy, a firming remedy. A remedy that is going to firm up your skin in case you're saggy anywhere. This actually would help you tighten up your skin and give you that glow and give you that firmness and give you that younger skin. Okay, this is superb. I am loving this. You can see me. Yeah. All right, so this ingredient is actually very simple to get. Just let's dive into the video so that you are going to be experiencing or seeing all of the things and see me apply it. It's so wonderful. It has actually been helping me a whole lot. This remedy is actually not only for the old or for the age. It's actually for younger people because you have to prevent it. If I can use it, then you can use it. Yeah, so let's dive in. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe. Yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so we're gonna be needing avocado, and this is also called pear. All right, and avocado helps so much because it helps to close the large pores. Now the thing is that when you have large pores on your skin, you're gonna be prone to oil skin, and when you have oily skin, you're going to be prone to acne and all of those dark spots and blemishes, whiteheads and blackheads. So avocado helps to get rid of all of that. Okay, so how we're going to be preparing this? Alright, so we're going to be cutting avocado into two. I didn't actually cut it well, otherwise this wouldn't have followed it. So I'm actually going to be opening it more so that I can get rid of all of this. Okay, so after peeling that, I'm actually going to be removing the avocado meat into the bowl. It has to be the soft parts. So after removing the avocado meat, now you can actually use a fork or a small spoon, and then you mash it. Okay, so I'm gonna be mashing it very well behind this camera, and I'll be back when I'm done mashing it properly. Okay, alright, so it's properly mashed and smooth. Okay, we're also going to be making use of rose water and glycerin. So I have here the new one, and of course the one that has finished, but it's actually still remaining. Now rose water and glycerin is a toning remedy, and it's also a moisturizing remedy that helps so much to moisturize the skin. Okay, it actually helps to revive your aging skin, and it helps to remove wrinkles and fine lines. It helps also to reduce the size of wrinkles, and it minimizes the size of large and open pores. So keep it there. So I'm actually gonna be putting 1.5 tablespoon basically. So I actually used 3 of this, which is a teaspoon, and then we'll have to be mixing it. Okay, and you have to mix it really well and let it be super duper smooth. Okay, so after mixing this properly, then we'll also be needing sandalwood powder. I actually turn the sandalwood powder into this baking soda container. Yeah. Okay, so sandalwood powder is a root that is a stem that is actually used for the skin. It helps to remove blemishes, dark spots, and it also helps to leave your skin looking younger because it helps to tone the skin by removing the dead skin cells. Yeah. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to be putting just a few of this. Oh my god. About a teaspoon, and then we'll stir it really well, plus the avocado and the rose water. Now the rose water I use is mixed with glycerin, so if you can get this particular one mixed with glycerin, it's actually perfect. But if you cannot get, then you can use just rose water. Then also I'm going to be needing to use egg. Okay, now egg contains an ingredient that helps to tighten up the skin. Now when the skin is firm and tight, you're definitely going to be looking super duper young and glowing. It helps to reduce the size of an open pores, and it also helps to diminish wrinkles and as well as fine lines. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to break open the egg. And then I'll be pouring in just the egg whites. Okay, so all of the egg whites, I'll be putting it into this remedy, and then you would have to give it time and stir it really well. Now you must make sure that these ingredients mix, because of course mixing egg whites with other ingredients like sandalwood powder, it takes a little time. Yeah, so that time is what you need to mix it really well. Okay, because if it's not mixed really well, it's actually not going to really work like that. Okay, all right, so now the last ingredient we're going to be making use of is lemon. Now lemon is citric in nature, and as such it helps to glow the skin. It helps to remove dark patches and dark spots because of the vitamin C content in it. Okay, so and it also helps to revise the signs of aging. Okay, so I'm actually cut the lemon and I'm gonna be extracting the seeds from the lemon. Okay guys, so the thing is that if your lemon does not have seed, that means your lemon is not organic and it's not going to work like mine. Okay, so you have to look for a lemon that is organic and that contains seed, because when it contains seed, that's when you know that this is actually going to really work. Okay, so what this is going to do when you put it, it's going to give you that foaminess. That is actually the reaction. Okay, and then you mix it. Okay, so for this guys, you can actually use it at most 2 times in a week, or if you're too lazy, you can use it once in a week. Okay, it's actually going to be very important and very beneficial for your skin. It's going to revise the signs of aging and it's going to make you look super duper young. So let's go to the washroom. Let me apply this and show you how this is going to change my skin. So here is your avocado and egg, and after you've actually refrigerated it a little, because when it comes to natural remedy like this, you have to refrigerate it. If you can see my skin, You know, after the whole pregnancy thing, my skin is actually really coming back because it's actually responding to treatment now, and I've been using all of those natural remedies and it's been really helping me. Yeah. Okay, so this is it, and this is how it looks like. It looks like that, but it's lovely. So you apply it onto your skin like that. You give it a generous application, mm, just like this. So you have to, in this particular remedy, you know, the one coat of this is not going to be enough. One coat of it is not going to be enough, yeah? So you have to repeat it, like you have to coat it and coat it again. Okay, so after you've actually rub it like this, you can choose to just use your hand and spread it all up, like in form of scrubbing. You know, the sandalwood powder contains a little bit of particles, so you know, scrubbing it a little bit won't do you any harm. Yeah, so you just, you know, walk your hand through it and there you go. Okay, so after you've walked your hand through it, and then you would have to apply another coat. Yes, now make sure that the second coat has actually laid really well. All right, so after this is done, you would have to stay for a little while and then wash it. Okay, all right, so for this particular ingredient, it is actually very mild and gentle, and so you would have to, you know, use your initiative. If you like to if you like to apply it like 3 times in a week or 4 times, you know, thereabout, because it's very mild, it's very gentle, and then you apply it. Now after you apply it, then you can leave it on for it to dry. You can also apply it down under your, you know, circles, under your dark circles and your eyelid, you know, if you're having any problems around that side. Yeah, okay, you can see how my skin has actually really transformed, and this is actually going to help you to lift your skin. Okay, it's going to remove wrinkles and tighten up your skin, so definitely you have to leave it on for it to be really dry, and it's going to really tighten up your skin, and after that then you go wash it off and you're good. Then you have to also, you know, give it a little time by applying it and applying it again, because you know these things are actually natural. There's no chemical in it, there's no preservatives, so it doesn't work with chemical, it's just a natural remedy. Okay guys, so that's it. Have you seen that? Just apply the way I did and all of the instructions are there. You know, you don't have to worry anything. Just go try it and let me know how it is, because I'm sure it's gonna firm your skin. But do not forget, these things are natural, so you have to give it a little time to work. And see ya, I'm out of here. Bye guys, thumbs up, subscribe and share, and mwah.